So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in SFC /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run this scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand system, then you want to expand current control set, then you want to expand services, then you want to find a folder called Sppsvc. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. We're going to scroll down to the S section. We're going to find Sppsvc. Click on this folder, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything I did up here. And then once we're here, you want to find start. Double click on start. Change the value data in the box right here to 4. Make sure you have the number 4 in this box, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.